Hey guys, Tom Eckers in MarineMax Pensacola. Just want to take a quick moment out of your day, show you this brand new 2021 Sea Ray 250 SDX Outboard. Sea Ray's 250 SDX is a 25-foot long boat. This one, being the Outboard, has a Mercury 300 horsepower engine off the back and a beautiful white. Moving into the boat, when you look at the boat, you're going to see this rear lounger. One of the really nice features of a 250 SDX Outboard is how this rear lounger moves. Just release right here. This will slide forward and backward, giving you more room in the boat when you're underway, or more room on your swim platform when you're actually docked and ready to just hang out. I also have right here a nice little cooler. So once you get to where you're going, everything's going to be cold, easy to access that. But as we move into the boat, we'll slide this back, flip-flop seat around. You're going to see lots of seating in here. Again, that flip-flop seating moves for more of a backrest there. Passenger seat right here. I'm going to be able to flop that around. Driver's helm has the exact same feature. I've got a flip-up bolster, so there's a lot more room here. I can give myself more room. Very simple dash, easy to use. Got toggle switches. Another key feature of the 250 SDX is going to be the port walkthrough. That's going to give me more room here in the center of the boat for a head. I've actually got a bathroom underneath there, but I've got a little lounge area, so if you have smaller children, if you have kids, and they want to get out of the sun, they're just tired of being in the elements, that's a great spot for them to go when you're spending the day on the water, just to give them a little break from that intense heat. Moving into the bow, I've got lots of room. This bow is laid out really nicely, very comfortable. Lots of people enjoy themselves up here. When I take my wife out on this boat, she usually ends up parking herself right here. She lets me know when her drink is empty. Somehow I become captain and bartender at the same time. But beautiful boat. If you have more questions about this boat or any of the other models in our inventory, by all means, reach out to myself, Tom Eckers, any other salespeople. We'll always be able to assist you. Thanks for your time.